Yes, Namaste children. Today we will discuss the chapter 7. Chapter 7 Measurements. Here, the standard measurements means while measuring the objects means that is length, means lambai, weight, body, the capacity, how much a bottle can hold water, any liquid. Okay, means the measurements length, weight, capacity. They have basic units, measuring units. You have to by heart the tables here I have written. That is measure of length, measure of weight, and measure of capacity. Here, first thing, the standard unit of length. The standard unit of length is meter. Standard unit of length, we have to remember. Standard, standard unit. Standard unit of length is meter. It is the standard unit of length, that is meter. Wherever you go, when you measure the length of a room, length of the board, length of a wall, length of a playground, height of a building, height of a tree, height of a mountain, okay, the height of a man, height of a bus, means while measuring the length, here we are using meters. That is standard unit of length is meter. The smaller unit of length is millimeter, centimeter. While measuring the, like this pen, the length of pen, while measuring the length of the pen, we are using centimeters, centimeters. While measuring the length of your notebook, we are using centimeters. While measuring the length of a cupboard, length of this board, we are using the length of this whiteboard, we are using meters. The length of the wall of your house, your room, we are using meters. Height of a tree, we are using meters. Okay. The length of like the nail, centimeters. But there are very smaller lengths, mean the thickness, motapa, thickness of a paper, for example, it is a sheet of paper. The thickness of the paper, एक पेपर कितना मोटा है, पेपर कितना मोटा है, इसको मेजर करने के लिए मिलीमीटर्स, वी आर यूजिंग मिलीमीटर्स. जैसे ये तार कितना मोटा है, वी आर यूजिंग, ये तार कितना मोटा है, वी आर यूजिंग मिलीमीटर्स. कितना लंबा है, वी आर यूजिंग सेंटीमीटर्स. Okay. While measuring the larger lengths means the distance between one village to another village, we are using kilometers. While measuring the distance between two cities, we are using kilometers. While measuring distance between, example, from our school, Midpur to your home, we are using kilometers. Okay? Means that standard unit is meter. Standard unit is meter. Okay, like here, the standard unit of weight. Weight means how much bhari this pen, how much it weighs, how much this duster weighs, how much this mouse weighs. Mouse. This is a mouse. Okay, how much it weighs, this mouse. You see? Okay, how much it weighs. Means like here, how much a pumpkin weighs. How much this pen weighs? Pen little, pen is easily, it is less weight, whereas you compare with pumpkin, pumpkin is heavy. While measuring the weight of elephant, it is much heavy. You can, in comparison with the weight of myself, the weight of yourself, weight of yourself. While measuring the smaller weights, we are using standard weight, that is gram. Gram. Okay. The standard weight, yes, remember, the standard unit of weight, the standard STANDARE, standard unit of weight is gram. Standard unit of weight is gram. Okay, you have to remember. Then how to read this measure of length, measure of weight, and measure of capacity. The standard unit of capacity. Capacity means अगर एक बॉटल लिया, एक ग्लास लिया, एक ग्लास में कितना पानी डाल सकते हो? How much water it can hold? How much milk it can hold? The glass can hold. How much oil a bottle can hold? That is the capacity. That capacity can measure by using milliliters, liters, kiloliters. Liter is the standard unit of capacity. Liter is the standard unit of capacity. Okay. Then capacity table I will write here. Next first you see that how to buy this one. Yeah, measure of length. 10 millimeters, 1 centimeter. 10 centimeters, 1 decimeter. 10 decimeters, 1 meter. 10 meters, 1 decameter. 10 decameters, 1 hectometer. 10 hectometers, 1 kilometer. 100 centimeters, 1 meter. 1000 meters, 1 kilometer. You have to work out. Here you see measure of weight. 10 milligrams, 1 centigram, 7 centigrams, 1 decigram, 10 decigrams, 1 gram, 10 grams, 1 decagram, 10 decagrams, 1 hectagram, 10 hectagrams, 1 kilogram, 1000 grams, 1 kilogram, 100 kilograms, 1 quintal, 1000 kilograms, 1 ton. You have to by heart this table compulsory. Okay. Then after that, next the measure of capacity. The measure of capacity. Yes, children. Now you see that measure of capacity. Measure of capacity means while measuring the liquids, we have to use this table. We have to by heart. 10 milliliters, 1 centimeter, 10 centiliters, 1 deciliter, 10 deciliters, 1 liter, 10 liters, 1 decaliter, 10 decaliters, 1 hectoliter, 10 hectoliters, 10 hectoliters, 1 kiloliter, 1000 milliliters, 1 liter. The standard unit of capacity is liter. You have to remember the three tables: measure of length, measure of weight and measure of capacity. These three tables you have to by heart. At the same time, you have to by heart the multiplication tables 2, 3, 4 table, 5 table, 6 table, 7 table, 8 table, 9 table, 10 table, 11 and 12 tables. Okay, you have to by heart. Yet you are being a class 3 student, first you should know 9 tables minimum in 2 tables. If you do not know the tables, it will be a very problem for you while solving the division sums, multiplication sums, in addition and subtraction also. Okay, we try to by heart the tables, these measure tables, and at the same time multiplication tables. Okay, yes, thank you.